Hi there, my name is Prakar and you're watching Tech Now. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe and press the notification icon below. In my earlier video, we saw how to set up Pi from scratch. If you haven't watched it yet, find the link below. Sometimes, we may observe that due to heavy usage of Raspberry Pi, the temperature of Pi increases significantly. To control it, primarily we can install heat sinks on the Raspberry Pi. Secondly, we can use a fan to further lower down the temperature of Pi. We have two options to connect our fan to Pi. First is, we can directly connect the fan to the terminals 4 and terminal 6 of the Pi. However, this method is not recommended as the fan would run forever irrespective of the state of Pi. Second is, we can use a small script which will control the fan and maintain the temperature of Pi within a stipulated temperature limits. Step 1. Components required. Before starting, ensure that the following components are available with you. Raspberry Pi case with fan. Pnp Transistor. Here we have used S8050. Connectors. Step 2. Preparing the hardware. Connect the fan and transistor as shown in the schematic. It is to be noted that the orange wire is connected to the pin number 4, brown wire is connected to the pin number 40, and green wire is connected to pin number 39. Step 3. Installing the script. Log into your Pi using Putty and then create a new script named runfan.py. The link to the script is given below. Copy the code and paste it in the terminal window. You may change the pin ID or the temperature limits if required. Save and exit. Next, we need to start this script on boot. So we'll place the script in /user local bin folder and make it executable by running the following command. Now add another script named runfan.sh that will start or stop our service. Create the script by the following command. The link to the script is given below. Copy the code and paste it in the terminal window. Save and exit. Now to make it executable, type the following commands. Now we have to register the script to run on boot. Since the script won't be running, we'll go ahead and start it with the following command. Now we are going to test our fan. Plug your Pi to the power source and wait for it to boot up. As soon as the temperature of Pi is greater than 40 degrees Celsius, the fan will start automatically. And when the temperature of Pi reaches 35 degrees Celsius, the fan will stop. These temperature limits can be adjusted in the scripts. Hope you liked this video. If you want to be updated with the latest videos, do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.